Long press this button. Add color. Choose the number we want to pair. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5. Okay, I will pair it to number 1 and press this to select the area. This is area A. This is the area 0. We could select it from A to Z and 0 to 9. So I will add this color as the number 1, area 0 and number 1. Press the button. Done. Okay. I will choose back to the state mode. Press call button. Okay. Press call button. It's use pay. And press the what. It's use order. Press the bill. It's use call. Cancel. So checkout. Okay. Let me show you how to set the key function. Still press this setup key. Long press. Okay. Use the up and down to choose the key function. Confirm area. When we add the color, we choose the area 0. So we choose the area 0 to continue. Okay. We can see that there are 14 names to be selected. Okay. Call. When we find the call, press the call button. Okay. We have to do it in a short time. Otherwise, it will be back to the state mode very soon. I will do it again. Set. Call. Press the call button successfully, and then choose another key function. Cancel. Press the cancel. Okay. Pay. No pay. Order. No. Checkout. No. Drink. No. Water. Okay. Water. I found the water and press the water. Okay, successfully. And I will continue to select the bill. Okay, no bill. Back to the home page. Call. Water. Cancel. Bill still show the call. Okay. Let me show you how to set the bill button. Still choose the key function. We can see that there's typeset. There's a typeset. Choose the typeset. Confirm. Typeset. This is the number for 1 to 40. I will choose to change the 41 name to Bill. B-I-L L L. Okay. Press to select a space. Okay, space. This space again. Press this setup key. B I L is correct. Oh no. Okay, I need to set the T as a space. Okay, then let's back to the let's back and then show the area set area 0. Okay, the 41 selection in the view. Press the view successfully. Okay, now let's check it. Call water bill cancel. Thanks.